Most of Asia and Latin America is earthquake prone. Most of these countries have vulnerable building stock, especially in the emerging nations.
Houses have been sprouting up everywhere. There hasn't been the technical support to make this growth be safe and be up to the standards that they need to be.
We're talking about hundreds of millions of people who are exposed to death and injury in the event of an earthquake.
There's a big need to do something before we have a large earthquake, and then we're dealing with saving lives and rebuilding. In order to prevent bad construction from killing people in natural disasters, you need three basic things: money, technology, and people. Build Change's mission is to save lives in earthquakes and typhoons by designing disaster-resistant houses and schools and teaching people how to build them.
The Nepal earthquakes are a human tragedy. So many lives lost because of poor quality construction. This could be totally prevented because some buildings were retrofitted before the earthquake, and those buildings performed well. We're now operating in 6 countries in Latin America and Asia. We work together with homeowners to implement safe construction and partner with governments who provide subsidies for people to improve their homes.
Lo más significativo que hace Build Change es que da asistencia técnica a profesionales y a maestros de obra de los barrios. Sí queremos vincular muchos profesionales a este asunto, ingenieros, arquitectos, pero lo más importante es cómo estas metodologías pueden ser aplicados por la gente común y corriente en los barrios que tienen un conocimiento técnico pero que le falta mejorarlo.
Esta casa necesitaba del reforzamiento estructural. Me tecnifiqué en la parte de la estructura, que eso me faltaba. Ya me siento más seguro y han mejorado la vivienda no solamente a mí, sino a muchas personas que lo necesitaban.
When we invest in retrofitting, we not only mitigate risk, we also promote safe construction activity, brings jobs, and promotes positive economic growth.
We can build buildings to withstand earthquakes. The knowledge and technology are out there. We just have to make it accessible to everyone.